In this video, we will see about the calculated column and measure, the two things which are available with the Power BI. First of all, we will see what is calculated column and measure, and then we will see practically about how to implement this in this video. First of all, calculated column is one thing which we can create as a separate column in the table, and it generates the results for each row of the table. Suppose we are using any sum function or average function, then this will generate a result for each row. So that is calculated column, and when we need to use it, when we wanted to do some calculation based on something which we just give some row wise calculation, that time we should use this calculated column. The second is a measure. So measure generally returns a single results of a calculation for entire aggregate value. Suppose we are using sum or average function, then it may be possible we wanted to take the calculation for the entire table. So that way, for that time we use a measure, and this measure cannot be seen immediately in the table, but this letter can be used in our visualizations or charts. This is the purpose of measure. Let's see how we can implement this practically. Now you can see we have this table which is we already have created, and now I will show you how to create. When we open this table in the data view, I mean in the data view, in table tools menu, we have this new column and new measure option. So let's try to do this new column. The new column, when it gets created, let's say, means we will rename this as a total population, and let's mention as sum, and we will mention as fact population value. When we do this, you can see the population value, whatever it is there for this particular table, it shows up here for each row. So this is something which is it is showing, and you can see all these values which are there for each row. It is showing. It is basically as we are using sum, it is just a total of total population of this particular table. So this is something which is we can create as a calculated column. We can use all other functions as well which are available here, like sum, average. So there are many functions which are available that we can use. For now, let's delete this. Now we will create a new measure. So there is an option again, like new column, we have new measure as well. Just click on that, and we will get a formula to specify what is the. We will again mention as a total population, and here again we will specify the same thing which is there as a total population. Now when we create this, you can see the difference. There is no column which is created here. However, there is a measure object which is created here. You can see this calculator icon for this particular. That means this is a measure which is got created, and this measure we can use in our visualization. How to use this? Let's go back to our visualization. Now this is our visualization, first visualization which we created. I will just add another page. So this is the first page. We can create as many as pages which we wanted to do some visualizations. We can add another page. So let's try to add another page. I'm just taking another column chart here, and what we will do, I will just try to this whatever the population, total population, I will just add it is in the this field. Now you can see this has been created. That means this is the aggregated total value of particular this table, means what is the value. Similar way we can create another measures as well. And how to do that? Let's do that once again. Let me click on new measure again. Now this time you can call it as average total population, and we will use this function as average, and then again we will see a fact table. Now you can see this average population is got created, and similar way we can go back to uh, our visualization, and we can create another chart. Let's see. So this is the one which I just added, and I will add this average population here. Now you can see it is showing the average population for what it is like this, and but there are no fields like year or country we have mentioned, so that's why it is showing like this. But that we can do. This is just a basic to understand means how this calculated columns and measures works. Calculated columns works on the row wise, measures works on the entire table. That's what we should able to understand. We will see some more complicated examples in the next video. I hope whatever I have explained here is helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching.